In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the incompatible mods found error here on Fabric Loader. If this guide has helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you have the error window open, go ahead and close out of it and check your Fabric Loader version. Mine is currently set to 1.21.11, which is obviously going to be incompatible with whatever the Minecraft version might be. You're going to want to make sure that your Fabric Loader and Minecraft are the exact same. And if you want to keep your mods, essentially all you need to do is just update the Fabric Loader to match them. So open up a web browser of your choice and obviously close out of Minecraft launchers first. And once you are on here, go ahead and go to fabricmc.net, hit download, and then hit download for Windows, which is going to download the Fabric installer. Go ahead and select it to open up a page that looks like this, and just make sure this Minecraft version is set to the corresponding loader version. As long as you update this, it's going to automatically update this loader version as well. Just make sure that your mods are also going to be compatible with this. Now, what you could do if you want to keep your current Fabric Loader is downgrade your mods. Essentially, go to wherever you downloaded those mods. And for this video, let's just go ahead and say that I downloaded the mods off of CurseForge. Essentially, you'd go to the mod itself, and let's just pretend that it's, Gecko lib right here. Open that up, go to the file section, and then filter it to your current game version. So obviously the game version right now for the most updated version of Minecraft is 1.21.11, but let's say your Fabric Loader is 1.21.7. You could load that and then go to the Fabric Loader on here and then download the mod that corresponds with that game version. Now you may need to also check for dependencies. Many mods do require Fabric API to work, and you can download this specifically off of CurseForge just by searching for Fabric API, hit enter, it'll load, and then if you just scroll down on here a little bit, and you may need to just search specifically for Fabric, just open up the Fabric API mod, and then once again, just make sure that the version is the exact same version as everything else. So mine would be 1.21.11, and then it would be specifically for Fabric, and I could download one of these. Once you do all of these, you should be good to go. You could also check to make sure that Java is running the latest version if you are still having issues, but that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.